Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about an indicator that is going to explain you that how to use the best buy sell signal indicator for profitable intraday trading in TradingView. Before going towards the details of this indicator, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Xness. If you want to open your account with Xness, you have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you're interested to open your account with Xness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Okay, for this indicator, I want to tell you that first of all, you have to choose the Euro USD pair, and we have to choose the time frame, that is 15 minutes from the chart, and the indicators that we are going to use from here. The first indicator is the Banker Fund Flow Trend Oscillator. Banker Fund Flow Trend Oscillator. Okay, this is by Black Cat 1402. 1857 traders are using this indicator. You have to choose this one. Click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now we will go into the adjustment of this indicator, and you have to simply uncheck this plot candle that is above these levels. So click OK, and it is set according to our requirement, right? Now you have to go into the indicator section again, and we will be choosing another indicator, that is buy sell back test single EMA cross by crossover. This is by Shade Trader. 2138 traders are using this indicator. Simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now you will go into the adjustment of this indicator as well. So we have to simply click on the settings tab. We have to go into this section, into the style section, and click uncheck trades on chart, and then come into the input section. From input section, you have to choose select EMA, that its value we will change from 10 to 21, and select EMA2. We will be changing its value from 20 to 38. These two values are very proper values that will be used for the crossover of the two EMAs whenever we are going to have the trend, market trend, when we are going to see the market trend for our profitable or for our accurate trading. Okay, now I will be telling you how to work on this whenever you are going to see that you have got the buy signal or the sell signal, how to work on it. Let's say we have got the sell signal by the backtest single EMA crossover, and this has given us the sell signal for the short trade. We have to look this signal, and then we have to wait for our market to move below the crossover of these two EMAs, the one with 21 EMA and the second one with 38 EMA, that has two crossover each other, and our market should be below this crossover. Okay, afterwards we have to enter into the position for the sell trade, but first we have to look that our market has to move below this 20 level of this Banker Fund Flow Trade Oscillator, and when our market will move below this level, then we have to see that our market candles should be in the right color. If all the conditions are fulfilled, we have to take the entry for the sell position and for the bearish signal. Okay, this is all about sell position. Now we will go and see how to enter into the position for the buy. Okay, always remember, whenever we get this buy signal by the indicator, that is the backtest single EMA crossover, we have to look for the crossover of two EMAs, that our market should be above this two EMAs. Always remember, our market has to form two green candles. If our market is still giving red candles, we have to wait for two more candles to be forming in green color, then we have to look towards our trend oscillator that should be above 80, and the candles should be in the green color. If they are above 80 level, we have no confusion in this, that we have an uptrend and we have to enter into the position for the buy signal, and we have to take the entry into the buy market. Okay, this will be seen in any other pair. For example, in the gold market, if we see here, you can see the sell. For example, sell indicator has given us the sell signal, and we see that there is a crossover of two EMAs, and our market has gone below this crossover. So we will see that we are in the right trend. Also, we will see that in our banker fund flow trend oscillator, our market has gone below 20 level and the candles are in the red color. So these all conditions are fulfilled. So we will take the entry into the sell position for our bearish trend. Okay, for the buy signal, if we see in the gold chart, as you can see here, the indicator has given us the buy signal, as well as there is a crossover of market of two EMAs that are showing us the uptrend of the market, means there are more buyers in the market than the sellers. So we have to take the entry into the market, but first we have to confirm it by looking towards the bank fund flow trend oscillator that should be above 80 level and should be in the green color. If all the conditions are fulfilled, we have taken the entry, and you can see from here till here we have taken the profit continuously. So this is a powerful strategy and is used for taking maximum profit by using these combination of these two indicators. Do use it for your own trading, and if you like the strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much and good luck.